You are watching Tapan's presentation.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope all of you are doing well. So today we are going to learn about some benefits of making friends. How much making friends can be important for your spoken English, so you will learn in this video. Okay, before going to move on, I want to say that if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English fluently, and if you think that this video is going to be helpful for you, then like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos about spoken English. I create content about spoken English for the beginners. Okay, begin. Suppose Suppose you can write English, you can read English very well, you know some sentence in English, okay, you can speak some sentence in English, and you know how to make sentence, how to create a sentence, how to write a story. Okay, I know, you know, and you know how to give self introduction, you know some sentence in English like hi, hello, how are you, so on. Okay, everything is good, you can speak little bit, okay, at least you can speak. But the problem is that when you have to talk in front of your teacher, you feel nervous. When you have to talk in front of the stranger people, you feel shy. That's the problem. Okay, and I know everyone wants to speak English fluently, but the problem is that they feel shy in front of the camera, or they feel shy in front of the stranger people. Okay, they feel nervous in front of their teacher. This is the problem. So in this video we are going to learn some benefits of making friends. Your friends can be your English teacher. Okay, if you want to destroy your shyness, if you want to destroy your nervousness, then stay with me and you will know the solution. How can a friend be your teacher, and making friends can be your can be important for your spoken English. Okay, making friends can help to you to speak English fluently. I know we have so many friends, but try to make a strong connection with those friends who are interested in English. Okay, I am sure that if you make a deep connection with your friends who are interested in English, these friends can be your English teacher. Listen me. Okay. So now I am describing the process. So listen me carefully. You are talking with your friends on phone call. I know you talk every time. Okay, so instead of your native language, you can speak in English on phone call to your friends. Okay, so this is the kind of process which can be helpful for your learning. Okay, and you also can GD means group discussion. If you want to increase your capability of speaking, or if you want to increase your vocabulary, okay, if then you can make group discussion to your friends. Okay, and you can discuss on a particular topic. You can make conversation, suitable conversation with your friends. You can or you can express your opinion about that particular topic. So you can make conversation in English instead of your native language. So this is the process. Okay, and you can tell short story to your friends in English. And I know that you read so many short stories in your childhood, like foolish crocodile and clever fox. Okay, two friends and a bear. So this kind of story you can tell in front of your friends. So if you practice in such a way, or if you do so, I'm sure that after a particular period of time you will be able to speak English fluently. Okay, you will never feel shy. Okay, so this is the important thing to remember. So if you think that this video is helpful for you, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And so this was for today. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching.